Pussy ball like rage. Fucking your bitch every day. Keep it packed, never hopping the jakes. Cashing out, fell in love with the bank. She looking at me and she like me. Now her nigga wanna fight me. Can't do it, can't fuck on my white tee. I'ma do him like Nike.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another video. Now today, I'm gonna be taking my box braids out after 45 days. Not only am I taking it out, but I'm also getting straight backs. However, not only have I been treating my scalp with castor oil and giving it constant massages, but I've also been maintaining my tapered hairline. Not only has my new growth gotten longer, but my tapered hairline is long enough to braid, my nigga.
You turn it up.
Now I'm gonna take my hair out and show you guys the final result, so stay tuned. Yeah!